If your condenser unit fan motor capacitor is leaking oil or bulging, you need to replace that capacitor fast to avoid bigger air conditioning problems. So first, always turn off the power to your AC unit before messing with anything electrical. You don't want to get zapped, right? Next, check the capacitor for any signs of bulging or oil leaks. Those are dead giveaways it's shot. When you replace it, make sure you get the exact same microfarad rating and voltage. Using the wrong one can cause your motor to burn out or not start at all. It's cool to take a photo of the old capacitor's wiring before you disconnect anything so you can hook up the new one just right. Don't forget to discharge the capacitor before handling it, because it can hold a charge even when the power is off, and that's dangerous. If you're unsure about identifying the right capacitor or handling electrical parts safely, it's totally okay to call a pro instead of risking a mistake. Also, regularly cleaning your condenser unit and keeping the area around it clear helps your fan motor and capacitor last longer. Finally, keep an eye on how your AC sounds and runs after replacing the capacitor. If it still acts wonky, something else might be up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a leaking or bulging capacitor is ignoring the problem and hoping it fixes itself, which just leads to a fried fan motor and way higher repair costs. Another common issue is buying a generic or cheap capacitor that doesn't match the specs of the original one. This can cause your AC to run inefficiently or break down faster. Lastly, skipping safety steps like cutting power or discharging the capacitor can lead to serious injury or damage to your unit, so don't skip those. Fixing these means acting quickly when you spot signs of failure, always matching replacement parts exactly, and following proper safety routines. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners who need reliable local contractors for jobs like replacing AC capacitors or any other home repairs. Plus, it helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who actually need their skills, making it easier for everyone involved.